Hey, what's happening? Today I'm going to show you how to make a bicycle out of two modeling balloons. There are different styles of bicycles you can make. Some look more like motorcycles or dirt bikes. This is the one that I think looks most like a bicycle. This is all so when your friends say, make me a bicycle clown, you can actually make one. You're going to need two balloons of the same color. Alright, I want you to blow them up about 3/4 of the way each. Let some air out. Cut that off. What I want you to do is grab those two guys. I don't care which one, it doesn't really matter. Fist length, okay? Then twist them here. Now you'll notice that in this knot, whenever you twist the balloons together, the appendages or the rest of the balloon goes out in all three dimensions. So it doesn't just kink out like this. The pinch twists come in here to make sure that each one of your twists is like either in a straight line or it's not like this. This one's longer for me, and I want you to make your first pinch twist. So pinch twist, right? I want you to maybe about 2 fingers, make a little bubble here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie this knot into this knot, okay? So over, twist. Okay, there you have it. Or something like this. So the one on the bottom, they should be relatively the same length now, which is fine. So we're gonna make the front first. So give that arm a squeeze, give it a little hand, a fist length, and twist it there, okay? The next thing you're gonna do is you wanna make a pinch twist, another pinch twist. So here's your second one, okay? Same thing, same size. Okay, you're gonna pull it out, twist the two ends together. That's your pinch twist, okay? And now we're gonna make the front wheel. So give that guy a squeeze, and depending on how big you want your bicycle wheels to be, I try to roughly make them like a fist, so all the measurements are the same. So make that guy as big as you want. Definitely leave a fair amount towards the end. Don't make it like a huge monster truck bicycle. Right? So I want to make mine somewhere like this, somewhere here. I'm gonna tie this guy back into the pinch twist knot that we just did. So we have this kind of looking contraption. The last thing we're gonna do is I want you to take the excess balloon that from the bottom and make it the same length as this stem. Two guys are the same length. Right? So I'm gonna pinch this right about right here. And those are roughly the same length. Perfect. And I'm gonna twist this bad boy into this bad boy, okay? So now you got this, and if you wanna organize it a little bit, so the original pinch twist goes over in the front, okay? The smaller excess balloon goes towards the bottom of the back, right? These two bubbles that you made, almost the same size. Make sure they face the front, like this. And then you have the wheel. So I want you to take that pinch twist that you made, the second one, and shove it under this wheel. What's gonna happen is, because now this is kind of looking flat, if this pinch twist goes in here, it's gonna push these sides together to make it more circular. See? Now we have the front part of our bike, right? So we have the fork, the wheel, and the handlebars up here. So what you're gonna do now is you wanna make the top part of the frame, and then we're gonna go into making the back wheel. So again, take the longer of the two excess balloons, right? Give it a squeeze, maybe a fist length, right? So right here, and then you're gonna make your third pinch twist. And I'm shaking it, okay? About there, right? So the normal pinch twists are about this big. Make it a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna do right about here. Okay? Then I'm gonna tie this guy into this guy. That's gonna be our seat. Right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna replicate exactly what we did with the front fork, except minus this pinch twist, and you'll see why. So a fist, right? Okay. And now we're gonna actually make the wheel. So fist length, twist, and then wheel. So I'm gonna try to match it as best you can with the front one. So I'm guessing it's about something like that. And it's okay if it doesn't look super circular, it will. So, and then the same thing, take this guy and make the same length as that one. Okay, put it through this, and then it goes into this guy, goes into that seat. Alright, so right now you have this pinch twist, you have this excess, you have the front of the frame or the top of the frame, and you have the back fork. Okay, and you have this little floppy little thing in it. Right, so take the excess, you can bite it off. Okay, let some of the air out. I kind of like tying it off just to make sure the air doesn't, of the other bubbles doesn't deflate. And then just take that and twist it into whatever. Just make it disappear. You can cut it off if you want to. So now we have this thing, and we got to make this look a lot better because right now it's just flopping around. So I want you to take the other excess, the last little piece, another fist length. That's fine right there. Then I want you to do another fist length, maybe a little bit less. And we're going to tie this into this up here, where my pinky is. Cool. Okay, so we're almost there. This little excess, we're gonna essentially make this last thing a pinch twist. Okay, let some of the air out. Not all, but most. We're letting some air out, air. So tie that bad boy off. Okay, then I want you to take this little stem, right? Tie it, take the little knob, tie it into the top of the wheel. And then we have this little bubble. That's essentially our last pinch twist. I'll take this last one and shove it in the circle, like you did before in the front. Well, there you go, a bicycle. So here's the seat, here's the handlebars, right? And the wheels on the frame. If you want to make it look more like a motorcycle, you can open these, okay, and take the top part of this, you can almost shove it in there. And that would look more like a motorcycle, just because it looks like it has the engine right there and whatnot. But if you want to look more like a bicycle, you want to. And there you go, a bicycle that looks more like a bicycle than a dirt bike or a motorcycle. If you like this, please subscribe and give this video a like, and let me know what other things you want to make out of balloons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.